Hey guys, my name is Jordan Parnell. I'm a sales representative with Quality Equipment here at the Albemarle location. Today, I'm going to introduce y'all to the 451M and what's new on these. So on the 451Ms, of course, this is where your net wrap goes. On this, there is an option for net lift assist and also net lighting. You need 2 rear remotes at least for these units. Obviously your trailer lights and also your ISO connection. So guys, this is the new Gen 5 Bale Monitor that John Deere just dropped this year. It is a touchscreen, it's got sound, it's weatherproof, it has easy diagnostics. It's pretty simple. You guys can go simple as you want, where it just shows your bale shape, it shows the wrap, it just shows the overall functioning of your baler, or you can go in and you can set it how you want it for each tractor and for each field that you are cutting with. It's got just several different options on this, and also it does have automation on it. So if you do want to do automation, it is available. Your tractor does have to have e-hydraulics. Also, it does have to have ISO and also at least a Command Quad Plus transmission.